Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we are going to make whole moong or green moong sprouts. Here I have some whole moong. You can use any variety of moong that is available in the market, either the packeted one or even the one that is available in loose format. Anything you can use for sprouting. In fact, there are so many other grains that you can use as well for this purpose. The first thing that we are going to do is to rinse them well because it comes with a lot of dust and dirt. So we will rinse it for 2 to 3 times or until we get clean water. Sometimes if you are buying the loose ones, you might even see some stones or other foreign particles. So make sure you are removing all of that. Now rinsing the moong at this initial stage is necessary so that you are removing those dirt and dust and everything before it is soaked. Otherwise it might soak in all of that as well once you soak it and once it absorbs the water. So we will rinse it properly before soaking it. Different grains need different time uh, for it to grow the sprouts. Like green moong might take lesser than black chana to grow the sprouts. Similarly, the dried green peas, it might take lesser, even lesser than the green moong. So the time taken or the duration would vary from grain to grain. Once you are done rinsing it, cover it with a lid and let it rest overnight or around 6-7 hours. And this is from the next morning. Our green moong is properly soaked and we need to drain out this excess water that is there. Apart from draining this water, I also prefer to give it a quick wash. This is also necessary if you are from a place which is like humid and sprouts tend to smell. You make sure that you are rinsing the grains properly once it is soaked. And also you can do one thing while you are soaking it, rather than keeping it in your countertop, you can keep it inside the fridge also. So this stage can be done inside the fridge also. Once you allow it to grow sprouts, then you can keep it outside. So once it is rinsed, I will let the excess water drain out. And today we will be using the stainless steel sprout maker. I do have the plastic and the clay sprouts makers as well, and there are so many videos on my channel on sprouts makers, how to use it, which one is better and all of that. Make sure to check those videos out from the playlist sprouts. Or once my toddler has transferred it in the stainless steel sprouts maker, we will just spread it and then we will cover it with the lid. Now this already comes with a lid, so I'll just cover it with a lid and keep a plate at the bottom so that any excess water that is there, it will get accumulated there and I can later on just discard that water. I will allow it to rest for another day, and this is time to check the results. So this is one day later, again in the morning, like the next day morning. So this is what is the length of the sprouts at this stage. And if you notice, it has dried out completely. So you can again sprinkle some water all over it, or you can put it under water and let all the moong take some water, or you can even put it under running water. Basically we want to keep it moist again so that sprouts can grow even longer. If you prefer to eat it at this stage, you can eat it. If you want longer sprouts, you can again allow it to rest for another day or so. For the best growth of sprouts, you can water it twice a day so that you get the best results. But otherwise also it's fine if you are not able to manage time, you can just water it once also. That again depends on the climatic conditions of the place where you live. If it is very dry, make sure you are watering it twice a day. So I'm just allowing him to put some water because he really loves playing with water. So I'm just allowing him to do that, and once everything is properly watered, moist, we will again store it for another day so that sprouts can grow even longer. Because I have used so many different types of sprouts makers, I found the plastic one much more convenient to use because it comes with its own drainage plate and all of that, and it has 3 compartments. But yes, considering that plastic is not good for our health and also for the environment, a stainless steel sprouts maker is also something that you can consider buying, because the clay one you need to be a little bit careful and all of that, but stainless steel one, even you can engage your kids to do it, and it's always fun growing your own sprouts. Yes, these days you do get to buy sprouts or sprouted grains online or even on at the local stores, but yes, it is something that you can easily do. And here my toddler is instructing me to keep it in the kitchen, and I will keep it for another day so that it can grow even longer. Now, what kind of sprouts do you prefer? You can accordingly decide the time. And this is what the result is a day later. It has grown completely, and I don't want it to grow any longer, so I will just use it at this stage. You can directly use it, or if you want to store it, you can keep it in fridge also, and it would stay fresh for 1 week or so. But yes, it's always better to consume it as fresh as you can, but if in case you want to store it, it will remain fresh for 1 week or so. So at this stage I will use it. You can make curry, you can make some even you can use some of it to make pakora, chilla and all of that. You can make different recipes out of it. You can even use few spoons of it in your salad and all of that. So this is what it looks like. Perfect sprouts. It's not stinky, it's not damaged, nothing. Pure fresh homemade sprouts. This is what it looks like. So I hope you like this video. If you have any questions around sprouts makers or anything related to that where you think I can help you, you can let me know that in the comment section below. So I hope you found some value out of this video. So that's all for today. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye.